Here's how to update drivers on your PowerEdge server using a Dell Update Package, or DUP. Go to dell.com/support and enter your system service tag, or click Browse All Products to select it manually. Select Drivers and Downloads, and choose the OS you have installed. Under Download Type, select Driver, then under Category, select the type of driver you need. Expand the listed drivers for more details, and optionally click the View Full Driver Details link. Click Download to save the DUP. For Windows, right-click the DUP and select Run as Administrator. Review the release notes, then click Install to start the update. Thanks for watching.